This is Troy Grimm with Augusta Co-op. I'd like to talk a little bit about pre-season scouting for your corn and soybeans. We're standing in a field here today that's had some light tillage done to it. And as we can think about this field going into corn, a couple things we want to consider. We want to consider the weed pressure that we see here. We see a lot of winter annuals, some tubers, a little bit of grass, which is very normal for Augusta County, Virginia. So, nothing out of the ordinary here. We want to take our soil temperatures, make sure our soils are over 50 degrees, and then we want to consider how we want to do our chemical program for our crop. Do we want to do a fairly significant pre-program where we're using multiple modes of action to control weeds and grasses, and then use a more simple one or two mode of action program over top of our crop? Or do we want to do the opposite? Do we want to do a pretty simple bland pre-program and use multiple modes of action over top of our crop? The important thing there to remember is we need to use multiple modes of action somewhere in the growing season to prevent weed resistance to herbicide. It's really important. We're seeing weed resistance move into this area from other parts of the country, so we want to make sure we keep that to a minimum. Here at Augusta Co-op, we can help you with a lot of those decisions and all the different chemicals and mixes that can be done. So my name is Troy Grimm with Augusta Co-op, and this is this week's Agronomic Minute.